One of the most remarkable gifts of nature and Sunnah medicine is honey. Used for centuries as a remedy, honey holds a special place in the teachings of our beloved Prophet, peace be upon him. From its healing properties to its nutritional value, honey is a treasure for both the body and the soul. But how does modern science support this? In this video, I will talk about the incredible benefits honey offers from both an Islamic and scientific perspective. I am Dr. Zaleha Keskin. I worked as a pharmacist for more than 15 years, after which I changed my professional trajectory and became an Islamic studies lecturer at university. Now back to honey. Honey is not just any food. It's mentioned in both the Quran and the Hadith as a source of healing. In fact, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, specifically encouraged its use as a remedy. Now, thanks to modern science, we know more than ever about why honey is so beneficial for our health. The Quran describes honey as a powerful substance with healing properties. In Surah An-Nahl, which means the bee, verse 68 to 69, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, "From the bellies of the bees comes a drink varying in colors, in which there is healing for people. Indeed, in that is a sign for people who give thought." This verse highlights honey as not just any ordinary food, but a natural remedy with incredible benefits. It's known for its ability to promote well-being. It's a sign of Allah's mercy and wisdom, giving us remedies straight from nature. It's like Allah is reminding us to look around us at the blessings He's placed in our world for our benefit. Let's now look at a hadith about honey. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Healing is in three things." And one of those things that he mentions is a gulp of honey. Why honey? Because honey is packed with medicinal properties. Modern studies have revealed that honey contains a variety of enzymes, antioxidants, and nutrients such as vitamin B, vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, and zinc. Also, honey has antibacterial and antifungal properties as well, making it a natural wound healer. In fact, honey is used in many hospitals today to treat burns and surgical wounds because of its ability to prevent infection. We'll talk more about that later, but not only is honey a physical remedy, but it's also spiritually significant as well. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "You must make use of two healers, the Quran and honey." To think that honey is mentioned alongside the Quran, now that's a powerful message to us. Just as the Quran primarily nourishes our soul, honey nourishes our physical body. But these two are interconnected. That is, what nourishes our soul will impact the health of our body, and what nourishes our body will impact our soul. Combining both can bring about immense synergy for our overall well-being. Honey's medical benefits are diverse. It's known to improve digestion, soothe sore throats, and reduce coughs. The World Health Organization, WHO, even recommends honey as a natural remedy for coughs and sore throats. Also, honey's ability to act as a prebiotic supports the growth of good bacteria in the digestive tract, helping to maintain a healthy gut, something that we know is so important in today's time. The Prophet did not approach honey just as a medical treatment. He actually loved honey. Aisha radiallahu anha narrated that the Prophet liked sweet edible things and honey. In other words, the Prophet not only recommended honey for its healing properties, but also enjoyed it as part of his daily intake, part of his daily diet. We can follow the Sunnah by incorporating honey into our meals and using it as a natural sweetener instead of processed sugars. Whether you mix it in with your tea, drizzle it over your cereal, or enjoy it on its own, honey is one of those pleasant and beneficial additions to any diet. Honey is also a rich source of energy. It contains natural sugars like fructose and glucose, which provides a quick energy boost without crash that comes from processed sugars. Research also indicates that honey's antioxidant content helps to combat free radicals in the body, reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic disease such as heart disease and cancer. Some studies suggest that honey may help improve cholesterol levels as well. It does this by lowering LDL, which is known as the bad cholesterol, while raising the HDL, which is known as the good cholesterol. This makes it a heart-healthy addition to a diet. And let's not forget about honey's role in promoting restful sleep. By consuming a spoonful of honey before bed, you can help your body produce melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. Modern medicine has definitely embraced honey's healing properties, Clinical research shows that honey can speed up the healing process of wounds, including diabetic wounds, which are very difficult to treat. Its ability to create a moist, healing environment while acting as a barrier to infection makes it a valuable tool in modern wound care. Many hospitals now use medical-grade honey in wound dressing. These products have been shown to reduce healing time significantly, improve outcomes for patients, and even help in cases where antibiotics fail. This is especially important in today's time when antibiotic resistance is a big problem. Basically, honey offers a natural solution to fighting infections. So what makes honey so special as Sunnah medicine? It's simple. Honey is a natural source of energy packed with antioxidants, and it has antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. Modern research backs up what the Prophet, peace be upon him, told us centuries ago. Honey can heal wounds, soothe coughs, boost the immune system, and even improve digestion. It's truly a gift from Allah. By incorporating honey into your daily routine, you're not just improving your physical health, but you're also following the blessed example of the Prophet, peace be upon him. So you're following the Sunnah. Sunnah medicine is extremely valuable. If you would like to know more about the various types of Sunnah medicine, I highly recommend you watch this podcast where I speak to Dr. Idris, a naturopath, who is also known as the Sunnah Doctor, where I ask him about Sunnah remedies for a whole range of illnesses, such as immune disorders, diabetes, and stomach problems. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.